Hello everyone. In today's drawing lesson, we're drawing the home of the cartoon character SpongeBob. You can download the coloring page of the drawing and the video for free in PDF format from the description section. If your pencils and papers are ready, let's start our step-by-step drawing lesson. Step 1. Draw the outline of the main part of SpongeBob house. Step 2. Add the bottom of the house and the outline of the door. Step 3. Sketch out 2 windows of the house. Step 4. Add decorative elements. Step 5. Depict the pipe on the side of the house. Step 6. Draw decorative elements on the surface of SpongeBob's house. Step 7. Add the flowers near the house. Step 8. Remove extra lines and add some elements. Step 9. Color the drawing.